guys, Total Giness here, and it's not cherry blossom season yet, but it's plum blossom season, and they're just as great. So you have these beautiful pinkish purplish blossoms, and right now I'm located in Kyoto. So all over the city there's a few parks around, and I'm guessing there's way less tourists because everybody wants to come and see the cherry blossoms, and no one kind of knows about these plum blossoms, and they're just as beautiful. Here, have a look. So, a lot of people come to Japan during cherry blossom season. It's beautiful, but they get overwhelmed with tourists. So I wanted to go on the internet and find an alternative. And that's when I found Plum Blossoms. So, to my surprise, the scenery was so beautiful and majestic, and best of all, no tourists or hardly any to be seen. There are two places I would recommend visiting in Kyoto if you want to spot plum blossoms. The first is Kitano Temangu. This shrine is dedicated to success in scholarship and studies, also a great place to spot those early plum blossoms. To get in, you have to pay 1,000 yen, but included in the price you get a plum tea, which is great. The second place I would recommend is the Imperial Palace Park. Here you could visit the palace for free and enjoy a long walk in the park. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed the Plum Blossoms. I know I did. And if you want to see other content like this next time, please subscribe to the channel, comment in the section below, and press that like button. So I also want to hear from you. I want to have some of your feedback. Let me know what you think about the videos. Also let me know if you have any suggestions, where I should go next, what I should film next. And that's it. So subscribe to Total Giness and see you next time.